In today's video, let me show you how to set up Zelle for beginners. Now the process of setting up Zelle is done from the bank application and not actually from the application of Zelle. So what I mean by that is most banks in US such as Chase or Bank of America already have the Zelle application or the Zelle integrated in the application. So if you have an account of Chase, Bank of America, major banks in US, you'll be able to see a section called Send Money with Zelle inside of Pay and Transfer. You can just head over to this option, and if this is your first time, you'll need to link your email address or your mobile number directly to your Zelle account, and then you'll need to verify your identity. Your bank will then send you a one-time verification code via text or even email. You can enter in the code in the banking systems app to confirm your identity. Once your identity has been confirmed, you can just choose the checkings or savings account you want the money to be sent from and received to. So once you complete this process, your account of Zelle will also be set up. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.